In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change OneNote keyboard shortcuts, or more accurately, how to customize the commands on your quick access toolbar so you can access your most used tools with a simple Alt+Number shortcut. This is a great way to speed up your workflow in OneNote, especially if you keep using the same features over and over again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneNote on your computer. Once OneNote is open, go up to the top left corner and click File. From the File menu, select Options. This opens the OneNote Options window where you can adjust different settings for the app. On the left side of the Options window, click Quick Access Toolbar. This is the section where you can choose which commands appear on your toolbar and assign easy keyboard access to them. Once you're on this tab, you'll see two columns. The left column shows available commands and the right column shows the commands that are already active on your toolbar. Now, in the left column, click on the tool or command that you use most frequently. This could be something you open all the time, like a formatting tool, a drawing command, or another action that saves you time during note-taking. After selecting the command, click the Add button in the center. This moves that command over to the active toolbar list on the right. If you want multiple commands, you can keep selecting them one by one and adding them to the list. The order matters here, because OneNote assigns shortcut numbers based on the position of each command on the toolbar. The top item becomes Alt+1, the second item becomes Alt+2, the third item becomes Alt+3, and so on. That means if there's a command you want to trigger the fastest, make sure it's at the top of the list. To change the order, use the up and down arrows on the far right side of the window. Move the command up or down until it's in the exact position you want. This is the key step if you want your shortcuts to feel more efficient and match your workflow. Once everything is arranged the way you like it, click Hook to save your changes. That's it. Your quick access toolbar is now customized, and the commands you added can be opened instantly with Alt followed by the matching number on your keyboard. For example, if your favorite command is in the first position, you simply press Alt+1. If it's second, press Alt+2, and if it's third, press Alt+3. This makes OneNote much faster to use and helps you work without constantly hunting through menus. If you ever want to change these shortcuts again, just go back to File, Options, and Quick Access Toolbar, then update the list anytime. It's flexible, easy to manage, and perfect for building a setup that fits the way you work. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.